Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Ramsey Duncan and this is Not My Kitchen. Today we are at a beautiful new built house built just a few months ago. It's currently listed for under $2 million in South Austin. 5-bed, 5-bath, pool house, casita, the whole works. Every bedroom has its own bathroom. This house is decked out fully to the nines. But I bet you're wondering what this crazy little concoction I have here is. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Boozy Peppermint Hot Chocolate with a toasted marshmallow rim. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you how to make this. Welcome inside, guys. Okay, today we are making Boozy Peppermint Hot Chocolate. Okay, for the booze, we're having Rumplemints, fluff rim, semi-sweet chocolate, salt, whole milk. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna get my torch. Very low simmer. We're looking at about 4 cups of whole milk. Pour them in. Cool. Do 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We're going to stir this in until all of the clumps dissolve and everything is incorporated. How have we not figured out how to make it smell? Like, how can you not smell this? So I got Ghirardelli chocolate. You can use whatever you have available to you. I just think Ghirardelli's got a little bit more of a richer flavor to it. And the other chocolate bar we use, I'll do a little sprinkle on top. It adds a little bit more texture as well. Just a higher quality chocolate. And this thing isn't gonna get too thick. I've seen some videos where like the French or whoever, whatever European countries, like it should be almost like pudding. I completely disagree with that. I think, I'm sure it serves its purpose, but I don't wanna drink pudding. I like pudding, I love pudding, but I don't wanna drink it, you know? I think a hot chocolate should be chocolatey, lots of flavor, but still a liquid. We're gonna add in just a pinch of salt. And what the salt does, it actually enhances the chocolate flavor. Doesn't really add saltiness, you can taste it a little bit, but it really enhances that chocolate flavor. Now here's the fun part, the assembly. So again, we talked about marshmallow fluff. You can make your own, it's just not worth it for me. They've already kind of perfected it. And you know, you could use whipped cream if you'd like. Meringue also works really, really well if you're trying to keep it homemade, but I just figured this is the easiest thing to do for most people. So get like a good little spoonful, and you just kind of want to work the rim. Doesn't have to be perfect, you know, if it falls into your cup, awesome. Now, because I like a toasted marshmallow, we're gonna use our culinary torch and get a good little browning on there. This will keep it from really sliding as well. There we go, look at that. Be careful with this, you know. I think I have to disclaim that because it is fire. And if you don't have tempered glass, like this will definitely could shatter if you do it too long. Now, I use just a measuring cup. Keeps it set. I was gonna pour it with a pot, but it makes a mess. Just kind of take a measuring cup, scoop. Every time I make hot chocolate, it reminds me of that movie, The Santa Claus with Tim Allen, where the elf makes him hot chocolate for the first time, and she says she's been working 1,200 years to perfect it. Good on her. Get some flakes in there. This is fun for the kids. It adds a little bit extra chocolate. So this is perfectly good hot chocolate, great, family friendly, good for the kids, good for the parents, you know, sitting around the fire, awesome. The one thing the elf lady from the Santa Claus did not do, which I'm sure Tim Allen is really, really wanting, was a little bit of peppermint schnapps. Okay, you can use any peppermint schnapps you want. I'm gonna do about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of peppermint schnapps. The good thing about schnapps and why high schoolers love it so much is it's easy to drink. Tastes like peppermint. Again, wouldn't be Not My Kitchen if I didn't make a mess. So that's it. Get a good little mix in there, and that's it. Easy, homemade hot chocolate, a little bit of a boozy twist. This is probably my favorite holiday cocktail. It's easy, it's fun, it's delicious. All right, let's give it a shot. Holy smokes. toasted marshmallow is like the perfect taste. And what I was gonna say earlier, which I forgot to mention, if you wanna do a whipped cream meringue, something on top, you don't have to do a chocolate topping on there as well. If you wanna do like a crushed peppermint on top, that's also really fun. You don't have to do anything. You do whatever you want with this. This is perfect.